You remember this I found in a creek? I want to know if this rust remover will remove the rust, but I needed something glass. And I found this in the kitchen. So, what do you think?
I think it's okay.
Look, it's gonna fit perfect, and I'll be able to check it. It's nice and toasty outside today, so we'll be able to actually watch the progress. What will we do with all the paraphernalia inside there? Dump it in the, it'll get dirty in the garden. We go dump it in the house?
Yeah, we can just dump it on the counter. Or you mean go put it in the kitchen?
You mind?
I don't mind. See, I had it all in there just so perfect.
I know it.
It's my little decor.
It'll come clean, I hope. All right, I'm gonna wait right here while two of the precious little ones race through the field. It is so hot again. All right, so the plan is, this is stainless steel, but when you stamp Yeti on it, it turns to gold for some reason. So if you figure out how to make a mold that shapes the cup like that and make it stainless steel, then you can do it. So what I gotta know, I haven't cleaned this at all, and I don't plan on it. I wanna know, this is not an advertisement for these goofy Yeti cups or this rust stuff. It's just a I wanna know thing. I gotta get a better, I hope I have enough. I've used this before, so it's not crystal clear, but it supposedly holds up to a ½ pound of rust.
Yeah, I'm curious if it could clean that cup.
I'm too. I got that goofy sticker up there. Look at that. I'm just shy like a hair, but that's okay. That'll kind of show the difference.
You can make some of it come out of the inside to go on the outside.
No, I think I'm gonna keep it like it is so you can kind of see the line. So we'll take it out in an hour. How's that? That sound good, darling?
Is that all?
Yeah, I don't have anything else to say.
Huh?
I don't have anything else to say. What do you mean, is that all?
No, I mean, is the
It's
hour
not the end
all
of
it
the-
needs?
Well, yes. It's really cold. It'll warm up quick out here on this hot,
Yeah, it's getting
on the hot day. Huh?
It is getting warm.
I know. All right, we'll come back and check it in a little while. I would consider that light rust. It is 229 right now. So at 429, we will look at that again. We'll take it out. That'll be 2 hours. And it should still be plenty hot outside. The liquid should be darker and the cup should be cleaner. Now I know I didn't clean it, but it's light rust. Yes, stainless steel does rust, contrary to popular belief. Yes, magnets will stick to it, contrary to popular belief. Jilly sent my bride something. Here, I'll let you break it out. She peeked this morning. I went ahead and gave it to her.
I peeked.
You know, check it out.
It's from Wisconsin.
Wisconsin, and the world's smallest embossed bottle. Ayoko. I like it. It's gonna go nice with your
My pink boots.
pink boots. I think
Thank
it'll be
you.
cool. Yeah, it's really cool. I like
like
it on her. I like this too. That's probably the best looking hat I've ever seen on you. You got the little mini pearl action going up here. All right, let's get busy. I think it's actually recording now. All right, here we go. It's been 2 hours. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. It looks a lot better. Oh man. It needs to be scrubbed probably. Let's put it back in there face down. I didn't do anything inside. How do you put it face down? Let me figure that out. Now there we go. That's as good as I can get it without poking a hole in the bottom and seeing it all the way down. It's still got some creek mold on it, but it's coming all right. I need some way to get it deeper and get that goofy Yeti sticker off. These white spots are sticky stuff too. That'll come off, I guess, if you really scrape it from other stickers. Oh well, we'll check it again in a little while. Let's see. How long has it been in there? It's been in there an hour, hasn't it? And then it's definitely gonna take 2. It's not getting that stuff out of the middle, but it's kind of beat up. It rolled around the creek a while. This is the next day. So it's been here not quite 24 hours. That's looking good. I still need to scrape the big stuff off with my fingers. I'm not sure it did anything to the inside. Yeah, it did. It just hasn't got the that color off right there. I gotta figure out how to brush it and clean the rest off. I can't remember what we talked about last time because I set the camera down, then I picked it up the next day. But I think that was me talking, I'm not sure. Check this out. I found something that worked better on that. That right there. I've always used this because it takes everything off your hands. These are the cleanest hands except for a little bit of fast orange on them. You could eat off of these hands and lick the fingers and everything. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, I see a hint of rust down the edges. Came pretty clean though, didn't it? It took everything off, stickers and everything. I scrubbed the daylights out of it. I thought I was gonna have to like buff it with a wheel. But you know, the wheel in the sky keeps on turning. Look at that, couple dents. All it needs is a lid. Don't you think? Anyway, I just want to show you that. And this is not an advertisement, but that stuff works. It's like washing your hands with incredibly good smelling sand. There it is, I'm done. I gotta take my little jar in. My itty bitty Jilly jar. Thanks for watching my videos.